Hey guys, welcome back to my video. So yeah, this is my voice and you know the title of the video. I am going to tell you how to set custom cursors like if I want a gaming cursor or any cursor like any type of gaming design any. So you have to open Google and write mouse pointer, pointer. I will also leave a link in description if you want to go there. Yeah, here are many more than thousand of cursors, and I will choose any. If I want, wait, let me finish these. Hmm, okay, if I want any, click any, choose any cursor and just click it and download it. I'm downloading it, and then 2 second, 1 second. Then when it's done downloading, you have to click it, right click it, then extract it. Choose extract here. It will be extracted, yeah, like this. Then you have to write mouse settings. Yeah. Then you have to click the option additional mouse options. It can be anywhere on this page, like in the bottom or in the right, in the left, anywhere. Additional mouse option, yeah, choose it. Then go to pointer, then choose choose browse option, double click it, then choose the uppest one, this one. It is written alt on it. Click it and do it. Press open, then again left click it, then do apply this. Yeah, this, we have got this mouse. So let's try with others. um, if I want Among Us one, I will just click it, download it. um, then when it's downloaded, you have to right click it, then do extract here. Yeah, it is extracted. Then do the same thing that I did before, sorry. Mouse setting here, additional mouse option, this, and then pointer. Sorry for the high voice. Then do browse, then choose black, blue, brown, cyan. There are many colors. My favorite color is red, so I will choose red here. Then click it again, left click, then do apply. Here we have Among Us. If you want to remove this and set your default one, do click on use default here, then left click it again and do apply. Here we have it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, say them in comment section. And this was all for today. Bye bye.